sleep and they all compound. Rust and React running side by side. Tory on the desktop, don't need the cloud. SQLite local, date is locked down. Slash command and watch them go to town. I don't write the code no more. I just call the plays and watch it pour. Ship coding, every agent in my grid is insane. Ship coding, quad code running, I don't even have to think. Ship coding, every mission, every issue, every link. Don't stop the terminals, keep them rolling. I'm the quarterback, I'm controlling. I'm the quarterback, I'm controlling. Yo, 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 yo. I'm the quarterback, I'm controlling. Yo, yo, yo. Yeah. Brainstorm, triage, organize. Agents claiming tasks before my eyes.
What's up, everybody? Yo, Peter, Bob, chat. How you guys doing? What's up, guys? My work phone doesn't allow international calls. Sorry about that.
Every issue, every lane. Don't stop the terminals, keep them rolling. I'm the quarterback, I'm controlling. I'm the quarterback, I'm controlling. Yo, I got a team, but they ain't human. Agents in the
What's up? How you guys doing today?
Claude on the left, Codex on the right. Both of them are shipping code tonight. Slash brainstorm, slash triage the list, slash run script. Nothing getting missed. One desk, one dev, a dozen terminals lit. Quad code commander, I'm running it local first. No cloud in sight, SQLite tight. Every byte is mine. Conducting this orchestra pixel by pixel. Mission control, right. This is official.
I'm good, chap. If I lower it down this low, is that the right? That's the right volume, right? How loud I normally have music. So, I was working on QuadFlow, and I bricked the whole application basically. It just wouldn't install, or every time I started it, it would crash. So the very last thing I was doing before I stopped was trying to add logging and crash logging, and like it was adding stuff little by little. Voice is very low. Like, hold on, am I connected here? Okay, my voice is good. Here, we're gonna switch over to this music. Is my voice really low? It shouldn't be low. Let me see what device my OBS is on. Total volume is maxed. Boost it with the extension. What about you, Chab? How's it for you over there? The mic actually has +1 dB. And I'm looking, it looks like they're normal volume levels. Are you sure good enough? So, maybe you did something? Yeah, maybe. Check on your phone or something. Maybe that, I don't know. Let me listen to my own live stream. So, maybe you did something? Yeah, maybe. Check on your phone or something. Maybe that, I don't know. Yeah, that is Max. That's Max right there. What if we did this? Desktop audio 3, mic volume 5? Okay, tell me, is that louder? Okay, I just launched it and it crashed again. Are you able to just access that folder directly and read the logs? So I just bumped it up like 3 and 5. It used to be 0 and 1. Okay. Okay. I trust you guys. $5:30, guys. It's just like the old days. When I say old days, I mean like a month ago. Before my cruise. Found it. Frames captured, recursions at this. Okay, great. Thanks for finding that. I'll test it in a second. However, looking at the logs that you produce, are they good or could they be better? What can we do to make them as best as possible? I don't want to ship this and then people have problems and us not being able to get the logs from those users. Okay, guys. So after the stream yesterday, I kind of made a decision. At the very end of the stream, I made a decision, and we kind of tweaked the idea afterwards in the Discord. Thanks for some advice and help from the guys in there. What we're gonna do with QuadFlow is we're going to release it as a beta for free, a free beta. I don't know how long the beta will be, and I don't know how much QuadFlow will cost afterwards. We don't know. It could be anything. It could be $1. It could be a penny. It could be $100. But we're gonna release the beta for free with full access to it. So anybody that's watching now or in the future that's coming and we're still in the beta, they're gonna be able to download it for free, guys. For the beta. Until the beta is done. How long that will be, we don't know yet. But that's what I decided. Alright. Yeah. Now that we got that out of the way, now you guys know that's what we're working with here. Nice, nice. Can we get some likes on the stream for free betas? And if you guys want the beta, then, oh wait, let's see. While that's working, let's go ahead and update the admin panel. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to Product, QuadFlow, Licensing, New Tier, Beta, Not Purchasable, and we're gonna move everything to active for the beta. Who knows? I mean, a lot of these things might be half working, but you know, you guys, I'm sure you guys will let me know what's working and what's not. Save licensing, and we're gonna make that the default right now. Save licensing, good. Man, it takes so long to bundle this now. King Dynasty. How goes the productionalizing? Amen. I'm glad you're here. Glad you finally made it. We're working through a bug. Hopefully this is resolved now. It looks like it is. Oh, the ship feature is not free anymore. I don't know if I fixed it because I turned it off. Let me turn it back on here because I haven't changed myself back over to Pro yet, or Beta. What you missed? So you missed that I announced that we're going to be having a free beta for QuadFlow. So everybody's going to have access to QuadFlow that wants access. All features. Alright, let's see if it crashes here, guys. Okay, it looks like warning. Okay, there is a warning. I don't know if this is... very dangerous warning, but let's go ahead and throw it in here. Progemic, all features free, insane. I know, right? Let's get the website ready for this. Production, launch, deploy, MCP, QuadFlow. Work has kicked my butt today, so I'm relaxing by co-working on my product while I put you on. Awesome, dude. Yo, you should share your product with us sometime in the Discord. Okay, so what we decided is that we're going to have a beta for QuadFlow, and that's going to be the default licensing, so everyone's going to get access to it. We need to update the page. What we're going to do is we're going to have beta for free. That's the free tier. We still had the free license, but temporarily I disabled all the features on that, and we shouldn't like advertise that or like have a way people can get access to it. And then we're gonna have a we're gonna have the supporter tier still, guys. And then can we change the name of these? A supporter tier, where all they get is access to support, and then there will be a pro tier as well. Again, they just get access to support. And these are just like ways that people can pay me because they support me. But we're not forcing anybody to get those things. So we need to we need to update the database to change myself, because I think I'm the only one that's subscribed at the moment, to why don't we go ahead and remove my license completely? That way I can test this from beginning to the end, to see how it looks like when someone acquires the beta license. And then we need to update the web page to have all these changes I mentioned. I'm excited for you to try it too. Hopefully we're gonna, I don't know, maybe it'll be tonight. I really need to get it done tonight so that way I can focus on QuadFlow tomorrow. I'm not QuadFlow, Dr. Vibe. I really need to focus on Dr. Vibe tomorrow. Okay, I don't need to make any more changes, but we can. Okay, I want you to review the global workspace feature where we can move modules or panels into the global workspace. It looks like once things are in the global workspace, all we can do is click the button to move them out of the global workspace into the project workspace. We can't, click them to close them or anything like that. I don't know if we want a minimize button anymore. We should update the header there on that tool, whatever it is, and like just remove the option to minimize when it's in that global workspace. But it looks like also terminals, whenever terminals are moved into that workspace or moved out of it, we can't, it like stops the terminal, we can't use it anymore. So go ahead and review all those and fix them. There's a poll for you. Does that poll like end, or it just ends whenever I click end? My office is a mess right now, guys. I got way too many projects going on. Free is a good price. Yo, what are you working on? All I heard was something about a header. So right now I was just doing a prompt. I have a couple different projects going on right now, Nico. But I was just working on a prompt for QuadFlow. So QuadFlow, if you don't know, is the app that I'm working in here. And I'm wondering if maybe I should put, oh no, it's fine. Because you can see I was gonna move my camera. But yeah, I was just working on QuadFlow here. So like, in QuadFlow, this is a new feature that I just kind of created. I have what's called a global workspace, and let's see if we can do it. So this global workspace, what I can do is, let's say I open up my YouTube live chat thing, and I move that over there. Oh, it's not a good demo right now because I'm not even on beta yet. Plus, it's not even done coding yet. I'll have to show you later, Nico, if you're still around. But I imagine you'll probably be starting the streams in a few if you're not already. Yeah, but we're getting ready to launch is what we're doing right now. Alright, let's see. QuadFlow page copy, deployed, Stripe checkout, custom text, updated on prod, now reads, thanks for back in the lab. Test flow once the build finishes. Okay, so let's check our railway and see if it's launched or built and deployed. Did you go ahead and remove the license from me inside the database? All right, it's building now, guys, so we'll check it in a second. Yeah, before the stream though, guys, if you haven't seen it, I mean, I did get a new thing here. This is this beautiful red phone. And I got it set up right before the stream started, so. All right, let's take a look now. Let's see. Subscriptions. Nobody has a subscription. Awesome. Let's take a look now at QuadFlow here. Get the free beta. Sweet. So let's check when exactly am I going to get the license? Admin dashboard. Subscriptions, nothing. None. Okay. Full QuadFlow access while you're in beta. No card required. All features unlocked while in beta. Claude, codecs, agent terminals, multi-agent sessions, built-in PM tools, ship pipeline. Good. Same product with a way to back the lab and unlock direct support. Everything in beta. Direct support tickets help us keep building. Cancel anytime. Higher tier of support for builders who use QuadFlow daily. Everything in beta. Priority support tickets. Higher tier support recognition. Cancel anytime. The red phone is working? Yeah, of course the red phone is working. I wouldn't just have a red phone here if it didn't work. You know? Well, that'd be silly of me. Alright, sign in and get started. Okay. Subscriptions now? Did I get it? QuadFlow? Subscriptions? Okay. Alright, let's see. Alright, so I went to the website and I looked at QuadFlow and I see where it says it says sign in and get started. And get started, but one, I'm already signed in. I guess that's not a big deal, but whenever I click that, it just goes to like my account page where I can see the subscriptions. I would feel like it should go to like it should go to like a thank you or like in a place they can download it or something and like officially add that license to the user, because it also did not add the subscription / license to me when I go into the admin panel. Yeah, Chep, go ahead, try it out. It might be a little difficult for some of our international viewers. I don't know where you are exactly, chap. If I had to guess where you are, chap, I'd guess Italy. Yep, go ahead. The number is +1 657 hey quad. How do I pin something? Like if I type that, oh there, pin to message. All right, there. Now you guys always see my number. You're from Brazil? Oh, okay. Well, if you have international dialing, feel free to give me a call. It will be surprising, I'd say, to see who is the first caller. Okay, we're building. Oh! We got a call, guys. Do you guys hear the ringing? Hello, this is Quad. I don't drive a car, I drive a truck. I think you have the wrong number. Alright, thanks. Call again. Bye. He was trying to sell me extended warranty for my car. It's the FBI. Could be. I'm sure they were on the call. I mean, whoever else was. I don't know who that. Okay. Hello? This is Quad. Hello? Oh, I think they hung up on me. I think they got a little shy. Okay, what are we doing here? Oh, okay, so we're still building. Here, I'll pull this down so you guys can you see that? Oh, you can't really. Here. As soon as this says deploying and then it's done, we could test. Okay, cool, the phone works. I'm going to have to call when I'm not in public to say hi. Yeah, man, call me anytime. Well, I mean, you could try to call me anytime. I don't know if I'm going to be available anytime, but if I'm on stream, I mean, for now at least, it'll be available. What was the inspiration behind the phone? Well, honestly, it was Terry Davis and seeing like his shorts when he answers the phones. Like I've seen that for a while. Not just the shorts, but I've seen before even like shorts were a thing. Like years ago, seeing Terry Davis and people just calling him. Oh yeah, and I'm the phone guy. Like that's what I've done for the past almost 12 years is build phone systems. So, you know, this is what I do. You know. But we have been talking like the Discord and like, you know, back in December I was building out a phone receptionist, like an AI receptionist, and I was thinking about kind of restarting that up as well. So it's a good, you know, it's a good step towards that direction. Once I kind of release these, I might be starting that up or another project. Okay, now that we are deployed, let's try it again. QuadFlow, get the free beta. Don't mind if I do. Get the free beta. Okay, you're in QuadH. Your QuadFlow beta license is wired up to your Quads Lab account. Every feature is unlocked while we're in the beta. No card, no renewal, no catch. Tier beta, status none. What does status mean? 3 quick steps: download, sign in, spin up your first project, download QuadFlow. Builds aren't live yet, join the wait list. Download QuadFlow. Let's go to download. Nothing. 404. Okay, cool. All right, but now that we did that, let's go back in here. Subscriptions. Okay, now I'm on beta. Nice. Okay, guys, beta access is live if you want the beta. Okay. Let's do this. All right, so we were trying to change the script. We have a release script where we could like bump the version number and things like that. And we were trying to build out a module to ship as well. But what I want you to do is I want you to just review that npm script and make sure that it's all working and connected to GitHub, connected to Quicksert. And we're going to go ahead, you're going to give me the command to run, and we're going to test it out and see if it's actually working. I can't call you with my plan right now, but I'll get a number to call you. Okay, okay. You don't have to get anything, I mean, it's cool. But if you want to, I mean, you're more than welcome to. But yeah, so I bought the phone, and it's an analog phone, but I bought an ATA device, and I got it like an hour before the stream started and got it set up. So it is on like a SIP provider. But so what that means is now we can actually have like a we could have like a programmable voice as well. Like when you call the number, it doesn't necessarily directly dial this. Like it could have a integration with the live stream or something like that. Yeah, I don't know. We'll think about it. If you guys have ideas, just let me know. All right, cool. So it looks like the download page goes to a 404. I don't know if that's on purpose, but what I want you to do is make the download work with the GitHub releases. If you need the GitHub release specifically repo for QuadFlow, let me know. Or if I need to do anything specific, let me know that as well. Yo, Dark Evil, how you doing? Yeah, it's the download's not live yet, chap. But you should have a license now. Let me double check on my other screen here. Yeah, I see you. You have a license now to QuadFlow. So we're working on it. Dark Evil, man, I see you, brother. Okay, here we go. Reason. Sorry, give me the command again to run it. npm run ship patch. Sign into the QuadFlow GUI first, or it'll error with not signed in. I don't know if that makes sense. Well, why exactly do I need to log in with the GUI? Okay, but why do we need the QuadFlow CLI whenever we are trying to bundle to release this? Yeah, let's get rid of the pipelines. I mean, don't remove anything in the QuadFlow code, but let's get rid of the npm scripts and let's just have it use like the legacy by default, the PowerShell script, right? That's what we should be focusing on. Done. Any codecs other than Claude, which is low in price? Codecs? Like OpenAI? Okay, we're building QuadFlow, guys. Alright, while that's loading, honestly, I can't remember what just happened. Get the free beta, download. Beta builds aren't published yet. Hold tight, we're putting the finishing touches on the first public installer. Drop your email on the waitlist and you'll be notified first to know when it lands. Get notified. Okay. We are on our way to ship QuadFlow officially. What are your stacks? Well, number one, I know you didn't ask, but number one, I use Railway to host everything. I mean, stacks for QuadFlow, I'm using Tori. So of course, Tori uses Rust for the back end and React for the front end. Any underrated codecs with less money? Well, I mean, codecs is just 20 bucks a month. I feel like that's probably the cheapest that you're gonna find, right? Runway mention. Wait, Railway. Railway. I use Railway. And if you need a host, let me know. I'll send you a code for $20 on Railway. You gotta go. Why not get a VPS? Because Railway is just super easy. Oops, use code QuadH on Railway for $20. Yes, there you go. Here, I'll just throw it in the chat. I don't know who's in the chat that needs it, but I'll throw it in there for you, the direct link. This gets you $20 directly on Railway. But I like Railway because Claude can just use the CLI tool, and like you just saw me push Quad's lab like 4 times on this stream already, and I really didn't have to do anything. And with the VPS, I'd be paying for like the whole VPS when I don't need the whole VPS, right? So I just pay for what I need. Hardhead, hackerhead, hacked a hackerhead hard. Hi, Quad. Hi, Testy. Yo, Drew, what's up? What's up? What we working on today? We are releasing QuadFlow today. Actually, I'm trying to release it right now. As we speak, this script should be bundling it. It should sign it. It should create the installer and the updater, and upload it to GitHub releases. So we're gonna see if that all works. I mean, this is the same pipeline I use for Abe. So we're gonna see. It should work just fine for QuadFlow. Also, we release QuadFlow as a free beta, so anybody can use it. So if you go to flow.quadslab.io, you can get a beta license right now. All you have to do is just click get beta, and then a noise. What's up, Narrow Pathfinders? Ted, how you doing? Yeah, all you have to do, go to QuadFlow, and then click get the free beta, and again, get free beta again. It gives you full access to the entire app. Once you click that, it says if you see you're in and then your name, you're in. You don't have to do anything else. Cool thumbnail, by the way. Awesome QuadFlow is dropping. Yeah, I'm excited. Ted, I don't know if you saw my new office equipment here, but it is very beautiful. Oh, yes, it's very nice. My wife brought me these 2 drinks. What do you guys think? I couldn't tell you the flavors, but they're really good. Really good. What's up with the phone? It's a phone. What do you mean, what's up with the phone? My wife calls it the Batman and Robin phone. You gotta just give me a call sometime. 657 Hey Quad. I'm available. Here we at. We're at 988 out of 989. Oh dude, heck yeah. Imagine some. How can you have Abe on the phone? Wait, what do you mean have Abe on the phone? Let me guess the flavors. Red and blue. Well, this is like more like a pinkish. And look at this blue. Like, these aren't like normal colors, right? Like, if you were to drink a red juice or red flavor. Oh, hold on, guys. We got a phone call. Hello, this is Quad. Hey, what's happened? How are you doing? Yeah, I'm excited. We got 500 subs. And we launched the Quadathon category, Squad Up. No, this is me. What do you mean? You're live on stream. I mean, they can't hear you, but it's a private conversation. Well, yeah, you're talking to Quad. Yeah, me too. Alright, well, I'll let you go. I'll talk to you later. Alright, bye. Sorry guys, that was my my consultant. He had to check in with me. What are those, electrolytes or something? No, they're not. They're just like, you know, like the low calorie sugar packets with flavor. That's what they are. Not sugar, but flavor packets. They're like 5 calories. Oh, it was me the whole time. I accidentally had the dim switch on my mixed push in. Oh, I thought it was you, Bob. That makes sense. Oh man, restored original Tory QuadFlow not found in target release. Oh, come on. This thing takes forever. We're gonna spend like an hour trying to just get this working. I want you to double check that like all the signing keys and everything else are ready. Like double check everything to make sure that this whole pipeline is going to work. Okay, Bells, good night. See you tomorrow. Alright, Dark Evil, see you tomorrow, man. Yeah, we're definitely gonna live stream tomorrow. Use the phone for speech to text. But I mean, I could do that, but don't you think it's kind of just the same as just like plugging, like using it as a headset on the computer? And all the best for your launch. Thank you. Thank you. Throw a like on the stream before you go to bed. Appreciate you. Florida got so many birds. Yeah. Yeah, we had a weeping willow outside of our window last night at like 2 in the morning. It was really loud. Yeah, you're really into birds, Ted. like done. Thank you, thank you. Alright, what this means for the next run. You can't use skip build, there's no... okay. Before we get too far into it, what is... I want the installer and updater to have like a theme and logo and picture of quad code and make it kind of custom and polished. Is that something you can do now before we kind of run this? Birds. Going again tomorrow. I'll drop pics in the Discord. Wait, you're going where? You're going to Florida again? I see your pictures. Wait, that's just a pigeon. Back to the trail. Gotcha. Dark purple gradient matches icon. Solid. Yeah, let's go with dark purple. Sidebar tagline text under the icon. Multi-agent terminal manager. Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah, but that pigeon was dope. It does look dope. My wife said don't take a picture, but it was beautiful. Yeah, I mean that pigeon looks like it takes care of itself, you know, like it's proud to be a pigeon. You know, more pigeons should be like that pigeon, is what I'd say. If I had to say anything about that pigeon. Great. And can you confirm that like all the signing keys are there so that way like the auto updater works for when we need to update the app again? Here, let's Alright, let's do this. Gradient. It's trying to go, is this a good spot for down there? What do you guys think? Maybe on the stream I just shouldn't have like my... Is that Bob Dr. vibe? Yeah, that's a Bob Dr. vibe. We gotta get a Ted Dr. vibe. If all the pigeons look like that, yeah. Here, let's generate a Ted Dr. vibe and see if it can make a good one. And then I'll show you some of the other ones. Make me a Ted Dr. vibe. He is a trucker, and I don't know what's the best way to describe you, Ted. He is a trucker. He's a consultant. He's a heavy hitter. I don't know. Let's just do this for now. And then, like, let's see what it comes up with and we can, like, brainstorm. Beta builds aren't published yet. Yeah, beta builds aren't published yet, so we're working on it. But I see you there as the license. Trucker with birds. Oh, I should add the birds. Hold on. Let's cancel that. Cancel. He loves birds. Bird trucker. Alright, we're gonna generate that, alright, we'll come back to it. Yeah, we got some other guys in here too that are good. I made Bilbro last night. This is Bilbro. There's Bilbro for us. I don't know what that is, though. We got Kerr on the lawnmower. Here, we'll leave Kerr up for a bit. Alright. Yeah, this is the very first release. Also, this should be on the QuadFlow releases repo. Is that repo not public? It's separate than the repo we're actually developing in, because we don't release the source code. Looks like Bill Bro's cooking. Yeah, he was cooking something in the lab. Alright, this is a one-shot remote action. Wait, QuadFlow releases is currently private. Want me to flip it now? Yes, go ahead and make it public. Make sure we do not commit any code to it, though. Okay, there. I made the bottom cover up my toolbar down there. Does that give a better stream appearance? What do you guys think? Yeah, let's put on that set protection for QuadFlow releases. Yo, what's up, Packet? We'll get the slot machine up and running in a second here once we finish this up. Well, here, actually, we'll put it here on this. Can the Dr. Vive creator use a reference image? Right now it can't, no. But I can take that and like, ooh, 2 cherries.
At Packet Loss 404, pulls the slot machine.
Oh, here, this is what it made, Ted. You kind of look like a cowboy. Why did it make you look like that? Is there a bird? Coding. Birdland. Look at that. Okay. Consult pitch. Power stance. Truck horn. Oh, there, look, you just got a bird. Yeah, we'll have to work on that one a little bit. Yeah, but what you can do is you could just put the image into Claude and ask Claude, like I've done that with, that's how I made Bilbro, to generate a prompt to make a Bilbro prompt. 2 options, both reversible. npm run ship. Alright, let's ship it, guys. Not bad. This is always the boring part. Here, while that's running, let's play a little game. Space Invaders. I did it. Alright, let's try again. New game. Bro, but you look so lovely doing it. I think I'm missing a message there. What I look lovely while it's bundling, while it's building the app. 987 out of 989. What do you guys think about this? Space Invaders. When you said this is the fun part, oh yeah. Yeah. Here, let's try asteroids. More like slop invaders, am I right? No, you're not right. Oh, did you see that dodge? Are you guys looking at my screen or are you looking at the camera? Oh, I died. I think that was my high score, 1920. Here, let's try again. Let's get a high score this time. Oh, there's a life. Oh, lost life. High score already. I died. That's slick as all get out. The lasers. The lasers. Maybe what we can do, maybe we should make it so when the phone rings that the lasers go off, right? Alright, that's enough fun with the lasers right now. 988 out of 989. Here, do you guys want to see a screenshot of the first QuadFlow? Look at this, guys. This was the the first version of QuadFlow that was kind of like released. Not released, but like somewhat functional. We've come a long way, right? Okay, oh, here we go. Binary signed. Oh, we use QuickCert. We signed it. It's making the installer right now. Look at this thing though. This thing was terrible. Like, we got Abe down there still running. After all this time, it's still somewhat functional. Bonus. Password. I don't think I have a password. Deriving a key from the password and decrypting the secret. Done. Failed to decode secret key. Incorrect updated private key. Wrong password for the key. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I don't remember ever setting a password. Like, can we just reset this and make it so there is no password? This key's gonna live on my computer. Big different. Nostalgic? I don't know if it's nostalgic. I mean, it definitely looks like what I would call AI slop. Look at this AI slop. Look, we have Abe running in the TUI up here too. That was cool. That's still a thing, actually. Like, that's still... It's definitely still a thing that we can do. Go ahead and regenerate that key one more time. Dang, dude, that's old. Here, we'll just act like we're coding in this for now. I want to make sure you regenerate the private key one more time. Let's do something else here. I don't know if I like that. Before you saw it and created your own, yeah. Yeah, you missed the good old days. I'm glad you're here now too, Packet. Done. Sign round trip verify. The bill will no longer prompt for a password. Okay, let's go ahead and try to build this again. Ship it again. Oh. We need to make sure. Hold on. Hold on. Hello, this is Quad. Hey, I can hear the I can hear the stream. What do you mean that's real? Oh yeah, well, there's a delay on the stream, that's for sure. Yeah, it's like a radio station. Yeah. Yeah, you didn't see the phone here on the You're like, oh, let me just call this number, see what happens. Yeah. Okay, hold on, yeah. How you doing? Good. Yeah, it's cool we can have these little private conversations. Yeah, you could tell me some secrets. Nobody will know. Oh yeah, if there's something like that, definitely call me and let me know. Yeah, save it. I don't. Oh, okay. Yeah, that sounds like a plan. Yeah, we got some plans for it later. Cause like right now it's just a SIP phone basically. I mean it's well it's an analog phone but connected to an ATA device to make connected to SIP. So, but we're gonna get it connected to like a whole automated system and like validate people through the chat and things like that. So. Alright, thanks man. Talk to you later. Sorry guys, had to take a call. Alright, alright, I got this error when trying to bundle it now. Remember that I have to run this in native tools command prompt. I believe that's required. So I don't know why we're getting this error. It looks like you're trying to run it in PowerShell too. That's also a problem. Yeah, so this is, if you guys get the beta, this is the version you're gonna get. What do you think? Okay, looks like we're ready. We need a way to be able to skip the build. Can we pull all we want? You can pull, yeah, you could pull all you want, but it's not connected to the YouTube live chat system that we had previously. Not yet, at least. We haven't connected them yet. Yeah, it's funny, people like, you know, just calling a phone number and just a desk phone ringing, like, in this day and age, it's so weird, isn't it? So let's see, let's try this now. Tell me what you know about this project. It feels more personal than talking on Discord, which is a little scary. Yeah, it is more personal, for sure. I'm gonna put this on my other screen. I'll let you guys know if it updates. Alright, so what if I wanted to put an IVR or something in front of this phone number? How would I do that? Three ways to do it. Easiest first. QuadFlow Builder. No code. Drag and drop. TXML driven. XML driven. Host one file like Twilio. You write a small XML file. Say gather dial. Host it at any URL and point its XML application at that URL. Call control plus webhook server full code. A real backend. Node Python that receives telnext call events as webhooks and replies with API commands. Most powerful, you can do dynamic routing, database lookups, SMS confirmations, AI agents, etc. How any of them slots in. Your phone number currently routes to home ATA. For IVR, you'd repoint the number to a voice app. One of the IVR options, press 1 to talk to a person, then transfer set styles back to home ATA, so the ATA rings as the final destination. Alright, and with that setup, would that mean I would still be able to dial out with the home ATA? Okay, so I don't know, should I start? I want to build out a system, but I don't want to make it too complicated right now. I mean, if somebody cool joins the live stream and they want to call, I just want them to be able to get connected until, I mean, the stream's really small right now, so it's not a big deal. It's not like we have like 60 people watching us. But we have this. Let's do this. All right, let's just put a scaffolding in place to be able to do the custom coding. So option 3. And then we'll come back later to actually get it connected. Right now, I just want it to still connect to my ATA. So, okay, this other app, the pipeline's signing QuadFlow right now, which is cool. All right, so it's making the installer right now. All right, this is what I got. Also, we need a way that we can bypass the building until we know this is all working, because I don't want to have to rebuild every single time.
What's funny about that?
Alright, let's make a new Dr. Vibe while we wait. Make a new vibe bot, but make this one like ultra rare. Make him have a lot of shiny buttons and glowing lights. Okay, so Claude's making a way that we can just retry it without rebuilding. Let's try it now. Rebuild, skip build. Alright, this is what I'm getting. Is the NSIS even necessary? Is that the one with the fancy updater or what? Here's our Vibebot Mythic. It's not bad. Alright, Claude's making more updates. This is always the boring part. Alright, so I just ran it again. It looked like after I did the retry and wait, maybe it's not. Why is it building again? You know what's scary, Bob? Not having locust insurance. Yeah, I saw a video last night in Down Under in Australia, and there was millions, maybe billions of locusts. I don't know. There probably not billions, but there was a lot. Okay, let's make another Dr. Vibe. Let's make something. What do we need? What do we need? Can a business commission a Dr. Vibe? Yeah, of course. Yeah, we're not gonna have like copyright Dr. Vibes, so because you know, one, I don't want to get copyright strike or like any letters from any attorneys. But it also opens up Vibe Engine Dr. Vibe. Yeah, you gotta just give me the prompt. And we would have to make like I don't know, like a set of some sort, so like a set of commissioned ones. Or maybe it could be like one that's just in the store, or like a special way to unlock it. Maybe there could be like a code, like a place on the website with codes, and then I can give you like 1,000 codes, or whatever, and you can give them out however you want them. That sounds like a good deal. I think it says we got a new subscriber. Yeah, 508. We got a new subscriber. Thanks for subscribing, whoever you are. We appreciate you. $988, 989. All right, here we go. We're signing. Okay, we're signing the installer. Creating draft release. Okay, there's a release URL. Just kidding, that's not the release URL. Okay. Releases. Where are the releases? Actions? How do I find the releases? Tiny synthwave DJ in a hoodie. Alright, well, let's make that one. Alright, that's generating. Alright, let's find the releases here. Public. Oh wait, right there. Releases. Create a new release. But we already made a release. It's a draft. Okay, I thought we'd be able to find it, but alright, we got this link. Let's see, releases. See, look, here it is. But how did we get here? They're on the right side of the main page. Yeah, but like. For instance, if we go, this is the main page. Releases. Oh, you have to click releases there. Okay, I got it. Alright, let's edit this. Sure. Publish release. Okay. Flow.quadslab.io. Get the free beta. Get the free beta. Download QuadFlow. Public. Alright, it says it's not there. Okay. Making good progress, guys. Okay. Alright, I just released a product, or released a new, the first version but it still says it's not released yet when I go to the download page. Is there a delay? Oh, it says it revalidates the cache every 5 minutes. Okay, maybe we just wait 5 minutes. Not gonna lie, this is really cool, seeing this side of things. Building is the easy part, but seeing you make a product live is really cool. Learning a lot. Yeah, man. I'm glad you're enjoying it. We didn't test the auto updater though. I guess that's okay. I mean, we'll test it now. I don't think there's not going to be too many people downloading it, I don't think. But we'll test it in a little bit here. And make sure auto updating works. I wonder how big is the installer. The installer is 13 megabytes. Hey Kerr, how's your man? Getting Culver's tonight. What's the menu? What's on the menu for y'all? I don't know. I haven't even ate anything yet. Alright, let's refresh. Beta builds aren't published yet. Come on, man. Has it been more than 5 minutes? 4 minutes ago. It's running the script. Oh, there we go. That's what he looks like. I think he's holding a record. And now he's like on a keyboard. That's interesting. He's just plugging you off. Drop the beat. Headphones on. Scratch the vinyl. Send solo. Well, there you go. Oh, well, there's all my information. Don't know why I had that open. This is what I need. Just release a product. It has been 6 minutes. Found it. The QuadFlow product still has GitHub owner null. Ah, okay. Alright, we need to go to the admin page here for the product QuadFlow. Storefront maybe? Releases. I don't see the GitHub owner. If I was to add the GitHub owner and repo myself, where would I find that in the admin panel? Releases tab. Releases only showing release product, which QuadFlow is. Scroll down to distribution source. Oh, there it is. I just had to click on it. QuadFlow releases. Alright, that's saved. Alright, let's try it now. QuadFlow. Get the beta. Get the beta. Download. Oh, there we go, guys. Download for Windows. Looks pretty good. 13 megabytes. Oh, that installer looks nice. I like that installer. Oh no, error decoding response body. Oh boy, what's going on here? Could not fetch a valid release JSON from the remote. Let's try it again. Okay, well, it's not working, guys. Let's find out why. Alright, we're gonna have to build in a dev one time here. All right, so I'm trying to log in and great, it's showing now. I'm trying to log into QuadFlow and I'm getting back a error update endpoint did not respond with the successful status code. No, that's not what I'm getting. Okay, I'm trying to log into QuadFlow, and this is what I'm getting inside the QuadFlow app itself. Oh. Hello, this is Quad. Yeah. Yeah, we got the order. You didn't see it? Well, it was already done. You didn't see the results. Yeah, okay. Well, here, it's on the stream. You're good. It's a little delayed, but you'll see it on there. The guy has like a little record and stuff. Yeah, no worries. We'll talk to you soon. All right, bye. All right. There we are. All right. Good. We gotta fix this though. And this is what I'm getting inside the Dr. QuadFlow itself. Yeah, let me know what you think of the synthwave DJ. Hopefully he's alright. Kind of looks like a vampire a little bit. I don't know why it likes to do that. He's just holding a record the whole time. Gotta get the phone to light up when it rings. It does have a little light here. And I think you could hear it on the stream too. But you probably didn't. Maybe if I just do that. You probably couldn't hear it because you were talking to me. Okay, so we have a problem. I can't seem to log in through QuadFlow and Quads Lab IO. It's saying this is what I get. Here's some feedback from the Quads Lab developers. Tell me what you think. Alright guys, I'm gonna put you on hold for just a second. I'll be right back, alright? Don't go anywhere. So I'll go to the lobby and get ourselves a snack. That's what I did, I got a snack. Kinda a snack. Okay, well, we need a way to be able to debug this, so figure that out and let's get it working. And no errors, please. Thanks. All right, let's see if we can run it again now. Okay. I see the problem is that it got beta as the tier instead of expecting free trial pro. I don't think that you should like be worried about what is the tier. You just need to be worried about the features that are enabled, right? Like the tier doesn't act actually do anything except allow you to display their tier, right? Okay, we're almost there. If I run npm run ship, is that going to bump the number, or how should I bump up the version? Same as above, ship patch. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a patch here, guys. Alright, we're gonna do the dev build really quickly once this is done updating. If it then works, can you make it so the website that opens after they successfully log in that says you can close this page, can you have a timer that will automatically close that page for them? Make it count down, maybe starting from 10? We got 4 people watching. I had my 4 loyalist viewers. Thank you guys for watching and supporting. Alright, let's see. Can we log in now? Yes, we can. Good. Alright, let's make this one last quick update also. I guess we'll be able to test the auto updater too. Thank you, Bob. Cool, there we are. So we're logged in as beta. Let's sign out. Sign in. Here's our page. Closes automatically in 7. Let's see if it does close. Yep, it does. Awesome. Let's close it down. Close this down. Ship patch. All right, let's go. This is it. This is the one, guys, that is going to be the official release. Well, I guess technically we've already released QuadFlow now at this point. You could download QuadFlow, it's just you can't log in. So this patch is gonna fix that, of course. 988 out of 989. Okay, here we go. Release. Draft. Publish release. Good. Alright, let's go ahead and open up QuadFlow here. Let's see if the updater works. I don't know how the updater is supposed to work. Might only update whenever we try to actually log in. Okay, let's sign in. Still. Did it? Wait, what version did it just install? Oh, that's still version 1.0.6 or 5. Oh, now we're on 6. Okay, let me download the newer version. Yeah, it was the same one. Okay. Okay, logged in as beta. Check for updates. Could not fetch a valid release JSON from the remote. Okay. Alright, well, it's released, guys. You can go ahead and sign up and use it. Let me know what you think. Credit support ticket. Okay. I think I'm gonna call it, guys. We did our goal for today. Tomorrow we're going to work on Dr. Vibe. Probably work on him tonight a little bit too, off stream. But yeah. Thanks for coming along for the ride. If you want to use QuadFlow, go ahead, use it. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I'll see you guys in the Discord, alright? Have a good night, everyone.